Stripping Rogue Officers of Immunity and Defending Against False Police Claims. How to Use Evidence, Law, and Federal Remedies to Protect Your Rights by DFW Dad. 33 Advanced Education Purposes Only. All rights reserved. 2025. They fear the scroll more than the sword. Be the scroll. 1. Immediate defense against the false charge. Video evidence. Preserve the video in multiple safe places. Make certified copies. Video is powerful exculpatory evidence, Brady material. Discovery rights. Demand that prosecution disclose all evidence, including body cam dispatch logs, under Brady v. Maryland. Motions. File a motion to dismiss for lack of probable cause or a motion to suppress if officers lied in reports. Number 2. Damages for false claims. False arrest last, malicious prosecution, under 42 U.S.C. paragraph 1983, sue for constitutional violations. State tort claims, possible claims in defamation, false imprisonment, and intentional infliction of emotional distress. Doc 3. Stripping rogue officers of qualified immunity. Use federal case law. Hope v. Pelzer, Taylor v. Riojas, misconduct so obvious QI fails. Show clearly established law. Arrest without probable cause equals Fourth Amendment violation. Document a notice. File complaints with Internal Affairs, DOJ Civil Rights Division, and Post. Hap 4. Putting officers on the Brady list. Submit video plus affidavit to DA's Brady Committee. Demand inclusion under Brady v. Maryland. Escalate to state bar if prosecutors conceal evidence. 5. Oaths and bonds. File FOIA Public Information Act requests to Secretary of State or Clerk for officer oath, commission, and bond. File claims against surety bond for misconduct. 6. Habeas corpus if police retaliate. Habeas corpus equals writ demanding release from unlawful detention. File in state, escalate to federal if rights are denied. 7. POA, power of attorney and fee schedule. POA, some pro se litigants file POA over their legal person. Fee schedule, serves as notice for damages, e.g. $1,000 day. Courts may not enforce directly but strengthens claims. 8. DOJ Dear Colleague letters. DOJ memos prohibit debtors' prisons, retaliation, and due process violations. Supports fee waivers, indigent protections, and equal access to justice. Chandra 9. Federal remedies. 42 U.S.C. 1583. Lawsuit. File cease and desist. Certificate of litigation. Federal complaint. Attach civil cover sheet JS 44. Name officers in individual capacity. Seek declaratory relief, injunctions, damages. Shamram 10. How ChatGPT can help. Draft affidavits, unrebutted affidavits, motions, judicial notices, interrogatories, subpoenas, and complaints. Provide templates aligned with FRCP and FRE. Draft proposed orders in judge-ready format. 11. Potential violations by rogue officers. Fourth Amendment, false arrest, unlawful seizure. Fifth, 14th Amendment, due process violations. First Amendment, retaliation against recording speech. 18 U.S.C. paragraph 241 to 242, conspiracy and deprivation of rights under color of law. 42 U.S.C. paragraph 1983, civil remedy. Maxims of law, fraud vitiates everything. Trust and suretyship law, breach of oath and fiduciary duty. 12. Damages, compensatory, wages, bail, legal fees, emotional distress. Punitive for reckless malicious conduct. Statutory, attorney's fees under paragraph 1988. Fee schedule quantifies damages per violation. 13. Step-by-step guide. 1. Duplicate and preserve video proof. 2. File motions to dismiss, suppress. 3. Request officer oaths, bonds via FOIA. 4. File Brady and misconduct complaints. 5. Draft unrebutted affidavits. 6. Issue notice of claim, cease and desist. 7. File to 1983 federal complaint. 8. Attach exhibits, video, affidavits, DOJ memos. 9. Serve defendants under Rule 4 FRCP. 10. File supporting motions and discovery requests. 11. If jailed, file habeas corpus. 12. Build compensatory plus punitive damages claim. Legal disclaimer. By reading this and other posts, you agree, I am not your attorney. This is for educational use only. You are your own jurisdiction. You are 100% responsible for your filings and remedy. Want DFW Dad's TikTok post transcripts as a printable PDF? Private community access. Donate $4 plus to join exclusive Telegram group plus resources, transcripts, guides, group chat, and education. Inside access includes education docs, book downloads, live group chat, AI coaching video transcripts. How to join? Donate $4 via Cash App DFDad33. Please open your app to see this link. Venmo at DFWDad33. DM proof of donation. no refunds. One-on-one AI coaching and private exclusive education offers. Guides and books, $29. Personal step-by-step mindset guide, $144. Occult child support secrets book, $889. Child support templates, coming soon. AI coaching calls, $49. 20-min session, $89. 40-min session. Premium services, $249. Occult contract law tarot reading, forked one-hour sessions, $899. Cancel child support event DFW, Father's Day 2026, $1,499. Weekend with DFW Dad, $3,499. Full week with DFW Dad DM to schedule after donating. No refunds.